Functions in Python. Functions allow us to encapsulate a task in a single reusable unit of code. They help us avoid repetition. By using functions, we can write a piece of code once and reuse it wherever we need. Let's create a simple function to understand its structure. In Python, we define a function using the def keyword, followed by the function's name and parentheses. Here we define a function called greet. The function prints the string hello world when called. Calling a function means to execute it. We call a function by writing its name followed by parentheses. A function helps us reuse a piece of logic, but we usually want our functions to do work on different data. For this, we use parameters. Parameters allow functions to accept inputs. Here name is a parameter for the greet function. When we call greet and pass Alice into the function, it gives the parameter name a value of Alice. This causes the function to print hello Alice. A function can not only perform a task, but can also return the result of that task. We use the return keyword to specify what result a function should give back. In this case, the addNumbers function accepts two parameters, a and b, adds them together, and returns the result. The return value can then be used in other parts of our program. Python functions can even return multiple values. This is done by returning the values as a tuple. Here, min-max function returns both the minimum and maximum values from a list of numbers. The return tuple is unpacked into the min value and max value variables when the function is called. Functions encapsulate tasks into reusable units of code. They accept parameters, perform tasks, and return results. Writing modular code using functions will make your programs more organized and easier to maintain.